Fleet mode is a parallel collaboration mode introduced in GitHub Copilot CLI. It can break down a complex task into multiple independent subtasks and execute them in parallel, with each subtask running in its own context window. This mode is well suited for large-scale refactoring work or batch operations. In this example, we have already created 3 custom agents for handling code work in the date, math, and string modules respectively. In Fleet mode, you can see that a single request to modify all 3 modules is automatically split into 3 parallel tasks and carried out at the same time, which can significantly reduce the total execution time. Next, we will create more modules. You will see that even though there are no custom agents corresponding to these modules, Copilot CLI will still split the task and use general-purpose agents to complete the subtasks in parallel.